Hannah B here. Today we're going to put some fresh stickers on your WeAre1 wheels. Step 1 is to take the wheel off of your bike and alcohol prep the area in between the second and third spoke from your valve stem. You'll notice that your sticker pack comes with one set of mirrored stickers and one set of normal stickers. You'll need one of the mirrored stickers and one of the regular stickers for each wheel, the front and the rear. Start with the front wheel and the mirrored sticker first. Start with the wheel with the disc side towards your right hand and the valve stem at 6 o'clock. You're going to want the red 1 on the mirrored sticker pointed forward. Start by lining up the notches in the sticker in between the second and the third spoke. To prevent bubbles from forming under the sticker, it helps to start in the center, in between the spokes, and work your way towards the edge of the rim. Next, we're moving on to the normal sticker, which is the second sticker on your front wheel, and you're going to line it up so that the red one is facing backwards towards you. Now it's time to move on to the rear wheel. This time you're going to start with the disc in your left hand. Ensuring that you have the wheel oriented the correct way with the disc on the left side, the process of putting stickers on the rear wheel is exactly the same as the front. If you have a heat gun handy, it's helpful to warm up the decals to increase the adhesion. And just like that, we got fresh stickers on your WeAre1 wheels. The whole process took me 5 to 10 minutes, and now it's time to go get these in the dirt.